Don't be shy. This man's an expert. Is glass? You satisfied with that? Yep. You tell them?
It's all glass.
You know, they're all looking at your ass right now. Yeah.
No, I think it's nice.
Not like this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you very much. Let's have for Nathan and his nice ass. Alright, I'm going to go off. Let these guys take over. Her first time ever walking on glass.
It's all you!
Oh my god, here crunching. That big piece. Oh, there it is.
I need one person. Who is it? One person? You. I just need you to come here. I'm going to choose a number between 1 and 5. And tell me how this is what it is. 3. Do you know what I'm going to do with the number?
So if we can count this number off, I'll tell you what, we've already done for you watching the show. How about we make it 5?
Jump.
Let's count off. 1, 2,